All right, welcome to our training. So I'm going to show you guys two errors that take place on Volusion pretty commonly, and then show you how to fix those errors. One of the most common being this. So let me log into this Volusion site real fast. Let me get into the dashboard. You know, some of you guys, when you're adding products, you'll add a product and it will, as you're adding it, you'll save it and it'll show up on your site, but it'll show up sort of broken, okay? Like, let me try to recreate this. So I'll call this test product. I'm going to put in a product code here, a price, weight, a description. Let me see if I can add a picture in real fast. So at least it has that. I should probably put it in a category as well. Let me put this in the bracelets category. Let me add a picture to it real quick. I know this isn't a bracelet. This is an oil diffuser, but all the same, this is our test product for right now. All right, so I added the product, right? And then I go out to Volusion to look at it. And this is what happens. It shows the product, but notice with me how it shows no picture. Okay, do you see this? In fact, you get this funny little icon where the picture's supposed to go. It's blank here, but you get this funny little broken picture icon. It looks like the thing is totally broken. And then you can't figure out why that's happening, right? Because you added everything correctly, you did everything correctly. You can't delete the product. Let me show you how to fix that, okay? Because we did something kind of screwy when we created it, and this is what happens quite a bit. Let me see if I can click on it. It may not even let me click on the product. Yeah, see, watch. I click on the product, on the product name. I click on it, and I get this broken, the page cannot be found issue that comes up. Has anybody here that's live with me ever had this happen to them? Because I get a question about this at least every week or every other week, and it's always a very simple fix. And because you can't click on the product, you can't figure out how to get rid of it, and so you're like, oh crap, something's broken here, right? Well, I'll tell you what's broken. Let's go back into our product list, inventory, and then products real quick. Here's that test product. Here's the problem, guys. The product code that I put in, what's the matter with that? Does anybody see a problem with the product code at all? Yeah, it has the pound symbol in there, or the hashtag mark. Can you guys see that? This little symbol right here that I'm circling in red. I know that's little number sign, number symbol, or the hashtag. That will break your product every single time if you put that into the product code. And a lot of you guys will do that on accident because you're copying from a supplier, and when you copy it over, you accidentally copy that pound sign with you, and it breaks the product. So the way to fix that is just go in to edit the product and just pull it out, right? Delete the little hashtag just like that and save it. If you'll do that, it'll appear correctly on your site. No problem at all. In fact, I'll just show you real quick. There it is. See how it fixed it? I know that's a simple thing, but it's because you screwed up the product code. So fix that, and that'll fix your problem, just like it fixed it here for us. Okay? All right, that's the first little glitch. Here's the second one. Sometimes when you're working in Volusion, you'll go to your dashboard, and you go to Inventory and Products, and you go to click Add on a product. And when you click Add to add a brand new product, Mary Kate, you can attest to this because you asked me about this recently. A photo of one of your previous products is already added in for you. But it shouldn't be there because you just clicked Add New and you're expecting to have a clean slate. How many of you guys who are here live with me have had that happen before? You add the new product, but the old picture of your previous product is in there. Does happen, doesn't it? I don't know if it's a Volusion issue as much as it is as over time as you've used Volusion a lot. It's just like you need to clear your browser's cache and you need to clear your cookies just to refresh everything. Restart your computer after that and then try it again, and I bet it won't happen. Clear your cache, clear your cookies, restart the computer, log back into Volusion at that point on your browser, and I'll bet when you add it, it won't carry over the picture. Now, it's not a big deal if it does carry over the picture, because you know what? The truth is, you just come down and you add a new picture, the correct one, and that fixes it. Or you quickly delete that picture that already shows up in there incorrectly. And I can't replicate this problem right now because it's not happening currently on my computer, but you'll know what I mean if you're watching this and you're having this problem. So you come down and you just delete the picture out and add a new one, and it's good. But if you're tired of having that show up and you're wondering why that's happening, you just need to refresh that browser a little bit, clear the cache, clear the cookies, restart the computer. If you don't know how to clear your cache or your cookies, it depends on your browser. So it's going to be different in Google Chrome than it is in Firefox, than it is in Safari, than it is in Internet Explorer. So just be aware of that. So that's why I'm not going to show you how to do that right now. We might do another training on that another day. But just know you can find out online. You can do a quick Google search for how to do it, or do it on YouTube. Say, hey, I've got Safari. How do I clear my cookies in Safari? And you can get a tutorial on it pretty easily. But that's usually the reason for that little glitch. Okay. Anyway, I just wanted to share those two issues and the solutions to them. There are other little glitches on Volusion, but usually they're fixable. These are just two of the main ones that I wanted to make sure you guys got fixed.